What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So we had a request to do Martin Truex, both his one car, his 56, and the 78 car. So we're going to start off here with a simple paint scheme. Oh man. Whee-hoo. Anyway, guys, don't forget, best thing you guys can do to support the channel is, in fact, give this video a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button down below, and join us on our journey to 10,000 subscribers. Alright, so some of these are going to be very, very simple. I just got to remember what the hell I'm doing here. I'm a little rusty, man. It's been a couple days since I've even played anything. So what we're going to do is we're going to change this white up into an orange. Might end up changing that orange out here in a little bit. I'm not entirely sure yet. And we're going to change this down to orange down on the bottom. I guess it's more of a brighter orange though. Let's see. Here we go. It's like a reddish orange. Hang on. Damn it, Bobby. We'll go with this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 up. Or we could run that. We'll just, you know, we're just gonna run that. I'm rusty, guys. I'm rusty. Alright? Give me a break. So there's one that you could run. Now we're gonna throw on. It's obviously not gonna be Bass Pro Shops, but we'll find something that we can make make sense on here. Run South Point, or yeah, South Point Hotel and Casino. I think we're gonna run that. We're gonna run South Point Hill and Casino. Hotel and Casino. Man, I'm telling you guys, I'm like out of it right now. Let's throw Can-Am on the side. Put South Point back on this side back here. Deck lid, we'll just go simple. And on the back, let's do something. Let's just throw Can-Am on the back there. Alright, so there's one that you can run. See if there's any other schemes here that'll make sense. Could run that. I'm not really a big fan of that. The other thing is you can change the color of the numbers to, in fact, orange. But these paint schemes aren't that forgiving for us to be able to really do that. You could also run something along the lines of this. You could run that. Alright, so if you guys wanted to run a Martin Truex Dale Earnhardt paint scheme, once again, now I'm not going to change the sponsors up, but you guys will catch the gist here. You know what I'm saying? You'll catch the gist. Put gray on the bottom, change this up, throw it down to red. You can run his Bass Pro Tracker Dale Earnhardt looking paint scheme. Beautiful. Now let's change it up and let's go to the number 56 car. This one's really, really simple. There's two different schemes that you can do. Honestly, this one's not going to be time consuming at all. One of the big things here is you're going to change the number outline to, in fact, red. So we're going to do that now a while, and we're going to go with, let's go with the brighter of the two reds. Baby. And keeping the, actually the rim color is going to be gray. Spoiler is in fact going to be yellow. We're going to change the middle stripe to a deep blue. We are going to change the gray on the bottom to yellow. And the black that I have up top to the deep blue. Now, let's see if we can find a form of the 56 that makes more sense. I doubt it. Could run something along the lines of that. So we'll keep that for right now. The other one that you can run is actually this one right here. Not as big of a fan of that. Let's actually change up the stripe color to match the side there. I am personally more of a fan of this than the other one. Let's see, we got some Goofy Flame paint scheme that he's got here. We might be able to pull that off with this right inside here. Now that I think about it, let's change this to Nappa. Throw Nappa on there. We'll change the side over here to, let's throw on Smithfield, kind of hide it a little bit. We'll put Nappa on the side. Hi, honey. How you doing? Hey, are you gonna go down to mommy? Yeah, you should probably do that. That might help out. Yep. Alright, you go pee. Every single time, of course, she's gonna pee. There's another one that you can run there. I actually really like that. I don't think that looks bad at all. If we go back to where we were initially, you guys can see what it looks like with in fact the Nappa decals on it. Gray wheels kind of threw me off there. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. The gray wheels did in fact kind of throw me off. The other paint scheme that was asked was in fact to do the number 78 car, which that's a really simple paint scheme. Let's see how hard it is. All we're gonna do is throw that and that and change the number to number 78. You really like pushing buttons, don't you? Are you pushing the button? Good job. We're gonna roll with that one right there. We're gonna change the wheels. I guess we can change the spoiler to the neon green. We're gonna go with the Bass Pro Shops 5-hour energy car that he had. Like I said, I'll be putting all these up on the screen as usual so you guys can see what exactly I'm creating. Change our decals. Go back down to South Point. Put South Point on the side over here. Actually, I messed that up. We'll go back and we'll change it here in a second. It's all good. South Point there. Put Safelite on the side. Keep that the same. And let's keep Can-Am on the back. So there's the 78 paint scheme for Martin Truex Jr. Trying to look around here real quick, see if there's any other final ones that we can put together real quick for you guys. Let me just look. Not really finding anything else right now off the top of my head without really having to get into it and play with it. But guys, if this was your first time watching a video on the channel, I'm a little rusty. It's been about a week or so since I posted a video, so I'm trying to get back in the groove of doing things. But like I said, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Drop your recommendations for what paint schemes you guys would like to see next. And I will see you guys in the next one. Later.